Have you ever seen this fruit? A strange kind of fruit that you think is a cranberry. This fruit is called Carissa Carandas. This is the Carissa Carandas tree. It bears fruits similar to berries. The fruits are pink when unripe and purple or black when turned ripe. The taste of the fruits is identical to duhat or bignay found in the Philippines. As a result of their size and shape, they are frequently mistaken also for cranberries. Carandas may not be used more often, but they are widely utilized in the production of pickles, jams, and preserves. Caranda's sour and acidic flavor make it popular in pickles and condiments throughout India. Additionally, eating them raw has a number of advantageous health effects. Actually, the entire plant has medicinal value. The fruit has long been used in traditional Indian medicine. Continue watching this video about Caranda's nutrition, health advantages, and ways to incorporate this super berry into your diet. Provides pain relief for the stomach. Carandas can help with abdominal problems. Due to their high fiber content, they are very effective in treating stomach issues. You can make a powder from Caranda's dried fruit, mix it with a glass of water, and eat it. This would help to relax the tissue and give you enough relief from indigestion, cramping, and stomach pain. The fruit is advantageous for enhancing digestion because it contains pectin. The soluble fiber enhances the digestive system's performance, which enhances appetite and controls irrational cravings. Enhances mental health. According to some research, regularly eating Caranda's fruit is good for one's mental health. Magnesium, vitamins, and tryptophan all work together to stimulate the production of serotonin, which enhances your overall mental health. Boost your immunity. The tropical fruit is fortified with vitamins B and C, together with antioxidant substances. These nutrients shield the cells from harm, therefore increasing immunity to fight off the seasonal flu as a result. Good for the blood. Iron, a mineral needed by our body to create hemoglobin, is abundant in Carissa Caranda. Additionally, eating Carandas can increase blood production, thereby stopping diseases like anemia. Eliminates inflammation. Caranda's fruit can aid in reducing and treating inflammation, according to numerous scientific studies. Consuming the fruit, which has an anti-inflammatory nature, can assist in reducing the production of toxic substances in the body. Helps to lower fever. Carissa Carandas is a great source of vitamin C and has long been used to treat fever. The fruit's antioxidant properties help it fight the infection, and its mouth-watering flavor is the icing on the cake, given that fever often causes one to lose their sense of taste. You can either eat it in its ripe or dried form to treat fever. We hope you found the information in this video useful. I hope all of us are in good health. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any decisions. Also, please do me a huge favor and hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.